Good morning friends. Today I am going to show you the format of article writing. This video is especially for those people or research scholars who are pursuing PhD from Indian University. Here is the format. I have written down how to write an article. Many people don't know how to write an article, but it's very easy. The only important thing is that you have to follow the correct format for this. First, you have to choose a topic, title or a heading on which you're going to write an article. When you write the topic or the heading on top of the page, just below the heading you have to write your name, and after that you have to write an abstract. Now many people don't know what is abstract. How to write an abstract? In simple word, abstract is just a summary. To write an abstract, start with a short paragraph that explains the purpose of your paper and what it's about. The easiest way to write an abstract is, first you write the entire paper, then summarize it. This will help you in writing the abstract. Abstract should not exceed more than 250 or 300 words. After writing an abstract, you have to write the keywords. Keywords should be 3 to 4 keywords you have to mention. Keywords, many people don't know what is keywords. Now keywords are those words, those important words which later on you are going to mention in your article and emphasize it while writing an article, while writing the main body part of the article. So you have to write 3 or 4 keywords. After writing the keywords, you have to write an introduction. Now introduction is very important for anything. You have to introduce your topic, why you chose this topic, a little bit definition, and it should be of 1 paragraph, not more than that. The introduction should not be too long. It should be precise. As we all know, there's a word limit when we write an article. After introduction, you have to write the main body of the article. This should not exceed 2 to 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraph, because there's a word limit, as I mentioned before. In the main body of the article, you can write all the informations you have gathered related to your topic, data, case studies, history, anything you can write in the main body of the article. After completing the main body of the article, you have to write the conclusion. Now conclusion is very important. Conclusion should be precise. It should not be too long. And in conclusion, you have to write the important message, what you have gathered from your study. Because many people don't read the entire article, they just read the conclusion. So conclusion should be precise and should contain all those informations in brief that would let the reader to acknowledge the main points of the article. After writing the conclusion, you have to write the reference. Now reference is very important part of the article. You have to mention the sources from where you have gathered the information. So reference is the main part and the most important part of the article. Now whenever you write an article for a journal, just go through the rules and regulations. They mention the word limits and other conditions are mentioned in those journals. Every journal has their own conditions, rules and regulations, and just go through it. And remember, whenever you publish an article, publish your article in those journals which are UGC recognized. This will help. That's all. Thank you. If you liked my video, just click the like button. Thank you.